Yeah, my boys, this is our digit match. Going to start the bot. Here you guys can see, I'm going to start with $10. The bot is started. First trade is opened with $10 stake. It's all automatically. The first trade payout. Yeah, my boys. The second trade is opened with $10. Waiting for payout. Look here, guys. 171.82. Waiting for another trade. It's all automatic. Totally automatic. Another trade is opened. 161 to 242. Another trade is open. $232. We're going to make. Here we go, guys. 312. One more trade is opened. Yahoo! Here you guys can see 392. My target is today $500. Let's see. One more trade is opened. Here we go, guys. Digit match. $465. We are sitting on it. One more trade is, and our today target $500 fulfilled. You see, my boys, 455. One more trade is open. See the results. Yeah, my boys, we hit the profit 526.53. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to have chat with Telegram.